Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 5, 2024, Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 5, 2024, Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, April 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 5, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 14 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 52 million pesos for Friday, April 5, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 5, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.